Good morning, everyone. Miss Ashley here with today's Teen Craft Kit, and we are making some emoji jars. So inside your kit, once you grab that, you will find kind of lots of painting supplies here, I guess is the name of the game today. You're going to find a glass jar. It's kind of solid. You're going to find lots of yellow paint, okay? You're also going to find almost called this a toothbrush. No! You're gonna find a paintbrush, and then you're going to find some little tiny jars of different color paints here for you to use. Okay, and then from home, once we get to the decorating stage, you are also probably going to want to grab some either of your own paints or any of your permanent markers if you happen to have those lying around as well, but don't quite need those yet. There's an important step we have to get to first. Okay, so to start off with, always make sure you put something down to protect your workspace and you have some cleanup supplies handy. I'm very thankful. Mine doubles here. Does double duty. Okay, so you're going to start off with your glass jar. Now when you open it, it may come with some little pieces inside, a piece of plastic and something that might protect like a lotion or any cosmetics you put inside the jar. Take all of those pieces out. You're going to find that there is one still inside your lid. And for what I know this craft to be, that one left is going to be perfectly fine. It's gonna get a little paint on it, but that's okay. Okay, so open up your yellow paint here. You're just gonna dump it in. There's kind of no easy, quick way to do this other than to dump it in. Okay. Get as much of it in there as you can. I'll set that aside. Now, put your lid back on your jar and make sure it is on very tight because you're gonna give that jar a shake. Okay. You want to shake it all the way around, shake that yellow paint, see you've still got some space left. You want that paint to coat every available surface inside of that jar. Whoop, still got a spot hiding. Make sure you check it really close when you're checking it over to make sure that your yellow paint has indeed coated the entire inside of the jar. Looks like I've given us enough. Perfect. Okay, don't know about you, but I think I've got all of mine done here, so let's open it up together. Hopefully we don't make too big of a mess. Aha, oh, and there really isn't a ton left over inside there. Oh, that's awesome. So any excess you can pour out. I don't really have too much, but might get a little bit. I think, well, maybe a little more. No, I don't think I can get too much out of there. Okay, so your next job is to just let this dry. Find a safe spot in your house to set your jar and to let it dry for probably a good 2 or 3 hours, I would guess. I actually have not quite a clear idea here. We'll let it dry and we'll see how far we get. Okay, so I'm going to pause my video. I'll probably come back to you later on and we'll see where we're at for the decorating phase. Okay, so set your jar aside and find something else to pass the time. Talk to you soon. Hello everyone, I am back to work on our emoji jar, and I'm not sure if yours dried evenly. One of the things I learned as I was watching mine dry is that if I periodically put the cap back on, shook it around a little bit, and then took it off so it could continue to dry, it would dry a little bit more evenly throughout the inside of the jar. So one of the tips that I hope you take with you when you make yours and to get your jar to come out as well as we can here. So now it's time for the decorating phase, and like I said, you will have a paintbrush, you'll have a whole bunch of little paint pots full of paint inside of your kit, and you can grab any permanent markers, paint, anything you want from home. I'm sorry I have to subject you to my horrible painting skills, but what you want to do first is to kind of look at your jar, find the best spot for your paint. I think I've got mine where I want to go, and think about your favorite emoji and see if we can make some good faces. I was worried about opening this, hope I didn't spray it everywhere here on the video. All right, let's give this a whirl, see how it goes. Okay, so you can see I opened the red paint. Hopefully you'll be able to tell what I'm going for. Not the best artist. There's a reason why I'm a librarian, but I'm gonna give it a whirl, and I hope you do too. Okay, maybe. Okay, now the trick is making both eyes even. Okay, kind of, I think. Uh-oh, I forgot some water. Make sure you grab that for your supplies. Using my darkest color last, so I think I should be okay, but keep that in mind as you paint. Might be something you need. Okay, I think we're okay. Don't want to do my big reveal yet. I am gonna close that color though, just so I don't get it all over the place. There we go. Okay. There's a reason why I'm a librarian and not an artist or a surgeon. Don't have the steadiest hand, but we're gonna make do. Let's see what we can come up with here. Kind of reminds me a little bit of carving pumpkins. Can imagine how mine always turn out horribly. Okay, I think that kind of passes, maybe. I'm sure yours are much better than mine. Oh, shnikes. Oh, that's gonna be a little bigger. Okay. Oh, all right, big reveal. I'll probably end up adding something to it as it dries, but for the first round anyway. Ta-da! An emoji jar. I'm not sure if that passes. My artistic skills not so great, but anyway, this is the best I could come up with for now. Hopefully yours looks awesome. I cannot wait to see them. Please, please share them with us. Send us a picture on our social media pages. You can even email them to me. I would love to see them. Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye!